Hi guys, welcome to day one. So for today, we will start with the this project workflow, alteryx workflow. So we don't start from the blank workflow because the purpose is just to derive views and then also to merge the view. In this case, if you want to actually want to start from a blank workflow, then you can check in the project folder. There are tutorials for that. Okay, so for today, just let us focus on the two things, just two things only. The first one is revenue recognition, and then the second thing is about view consolidation. If you have many views, can you consolidate them all together in the same place, and then you can maybe copy to Excel, or you can export to Excel, whatever you want to do. Okay, so the first thing of the day from your side is just to download the workflow and open it. So if you can download the workflow and open it, meaning that your alteryx is in your computer already, ready to use already. Then the second thing is to click on the run button here to run the workflow. If you it will turn red for the stop, but after it finished already, it turn back to the green here, meaning that everything is fine. If it's red, then you have error in workflow. And then the run button appear again. Okay, so that the second step will be to run the workflow. So uh, if you have any trouble with in your side, the first trouble is just to link the this input file to your place, because you happen to mm, uh, put the input file in somewhere else, and then you need to put it in here, or you link to somewhere else. Okay, so that's the second step. So repeat, the first one, download and open. The second one is to run and then to fix the error. Now going back to the main point for today, which is revenue recognition. Okay, so let me show you the input first and then the output for the revenue recognition. Okay, so this is the input. So you have this one is basically POS data, daily data. So you can see here every day they have orders in here. So this one you can read like the 15th of January 2024, and then you have the order here about 11.3 dollars, I guess. Okay, so let us consider the unit later after you have the numbers, the fiscal numbers. But for now, we assume that $11, and then that's it. So for the daily orders with the amount, and then they split the amount by, as they tag the amount by market, and then customer segment, and then other tagging as well. We will explore later, but we know that this is about the amount over the day or over the time, and then tagging by something, so tagging by market and segment. Okay, so that's all for the input. Now in here, I check I add the check for the fiscal period already. So this check is very standard for in FDD or in accounting in general, to make sure that this fiscal year and this fiscal year, they are the like for like. So 12 month to 12 month, and then this YTD or this incomplete year is like for like with this year. So 24 must be like for like. So you can see here 6 month to 6 month. Okay, so they are like for like. So meaning that if you compare this number 12 12k 1200k over this number, which is 17 uh, 173k and then you see the growth from year to year. So from this period to this period, you see the growth. Okay, so like for like already, then can compare. If you compare like 6 month to 12 month, then or 6 month to 7 month, it will be not like for like. Okay, and then you can see here also Jan to June, Jan to June. So basically they are like for like. Okay, now after checking already, then I will start my revenue recognition. Okay, so in this exercise, I won't explain to you how to recognize the revenue step by step. So I have a lot of step here, but I want you to understand the input first and then the output. So for example, this one, the input is the orders by over the days, and then tagging by anything, and then the output is I have the earning parameters here in blocks already, and then by market already. So how to read this output table? I will read like in Singapore, FY23, I have 17K and then 14, and then this one YT22 is about 18 and then 28. Okay, so that's done with the sale. The volume I can see the similar number. So is this one is about 4K to 10K, and this one is 4.5K to 7.1K for the volume, and then the ASP, or the average selling price, is roughly about 4. Okay, so 3.9 of 4.1, so roughly over the year it's about 4. And then it happened in all markets. So if you read the first one is about the trend in Singapore, but then you can see here in Thailand the same thing happened. So it's about 3.9 to 4 in all the market. Revenue and then the volume, of course it will be different because of the small market and then the big market, but then the average selling price, they are about the same. Okay, so this is a very powerful view for FDD or accounting to examine the quality of earnings in the business